everybody from Heathrow Terminal 5. First time I've been here in fact in about 6 or 7 months, so I'm quite excited. Just a quick flight today, going up to Inverness with British Airways in Club Europe, so it'll be good to get back into the F lounge, which is where I'm heading now, so we'll see you soon. In dealing with the current situation, British Airways has implemented this really good way of ordering food and drink in the gallery's first lounge. You simply scan the QR code on your smartphone, pop in today's code and choose what you want. For me, of course, it's the full English and a Bucks Fizz. So, just walking down to gate A6, and you'll never guess what. You will never guess what. I've bumped into, well not bumped into, but I've met seen pop stars, super celebrities on various BA flights over the years. But I'm really excited because this morning I bumped into Dan Hornet.
Hello.
So where are we flying today, Dan?
Today we're going to Inverness.
Okay. And then where are you flying after that?
Then I'm flying back from Inverness,
yeah.
And then I'm flying to Aberdeen,
yeah.
And then I'm flying back from Aberdeen to London.
All in one day?
All in one day.
Fantastic.
4 flights today.
Fantastic.
And of course it's lovely to meet such a celebrity as Neil.
He's making me blush under here, you see.
Yeah, good thing you can't see because of the mask.
Right, so we'll come back on board and see what the New World experience is like in Club Europe. What's the bear called? Wilbur.
Wilbur.
The BA bear. Whilst we're taxiing out, let me just quickly tell you about Dan's YouTube channel, which features not just flight reviews, but also Hungarian trains. So it's well worth a view. As always, I'll remain quiet for takeoff. Today's 70-minute flight takes us up to an altitude initially at 31,000 feet, descending down to 28,000 due to turbulence. as we're flying on this really clear, wonderful day to be back in the air with British Airways, I'd like to give a special welcome to 2 new Patreon supporters. So welcome Joe Ainley and Dan Hornet. If you'd like to feature in an upcoming video, all of my flight details are right here, and I'll even guest you into the lounge that I'm using. I invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the landing. So that concludes today's video. I've just landed here at Inverness Airport, my first visit here in fact. It's actually a nice little airport and the flight was great. Obviously BA's service, like so many transport providers at the moment, is that much more limited because of the current situation. But the truth is that it was still a nice flight, and so I'm going to go and discover Inverness with a couple of fellow aviation enthusiasts, geeks, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It all helps. Bye for now.